Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Don't adjust your screens. That is a Moto G7. I decided to pick it up from Motorola.com. In this video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to go through the initial setup of the phone, and then I'm going to put the phone through the test like I normally do with speaker tests, comparisons with other phones that I have. But let's get into this video really quick. Let's unbox it, see what you get in it, and then we can talk about the specs of the phone too. The lucky unboxing knife. Oh, here's the phone sitting on top. Bam. Let's see what else you get from Motorola. You have some books in here. Do we read these books? No, we really don't. We probably should, but we don't. You get a charging power brick, 15 watt, turbocharge. This better be USB Type-C. Yes, it is. Nothing else is in the box. No phone, no headphones, no case. Nothing else is in the box. Let's put all that on the side. Here's what we come for. Look at that. Let's see. Ooh, yes, I decided to pick it up in white. Ooh, look at that. Let's power this bad boy on. Alright, so this is a good time to go over the specs of the phone. It has a 6.2 inch teardrop notch display. It's LCD. The resolution on the screen is 2270 by 1080. So it's a 19 by 9 ratio display. Let's set this bad boy here. It has the Snapdragon 632 processor. It's running Android 9 straight out the box, which is great. I'm glad it's 2019. Comes with 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage. Does have a slot for an SD card for 512 gigs of storage. We're definitely going to test out the next thing. It has only a 3000 milliamp hour battery with 15 watt turbocharge. So I don't know, my Yumi Digi F1 has a 5150 milliamp hour battery, so we're definitely going to see how long the battery lasts. In the front, right there, you have an 8 megapixel camera. In the rear, you have a 12 megapixel and a 5 megapixel camera in the rear. Look at the fingerprint scanner. There's no wireless charging on the phone, and it's only splash protected. No water resistance grading on here, no IP67 or 68. You can get this phone from Best Buy or Motorola.com for $299. Let's go over the phone really quick too. And my camera is focused. We have your volume rockers here. We have the power button on this side. That's the camera. There's nothing on this side. You have a bottom facing speaker, the USB Type-C. Yes, 2019, you still have the headphone jack. Here's your SIM card slot. Next to the microphone, like I pointed out before, the fingerprint scanner. Then you also have a microphone at the bottom too. Bam, look at that. Alright, so right now I'm gonna go through the initial setup with y'all. So yes, I'm in the US. I'm gonna skip that. So let me put in my Wi-Fi password. It's checking for updates. I'm not gonna copy. Alright, let me sign into the account. Alright, so it says unlock with your fingerprint. I'm gonna set that up. Let's see how fast this goes. I want a pin. So I'm gonna set up a pin now. Alright, it says find the sensor. Man, it's really sensitive. Let's see if I can add another one. I want to see if I can add the same finger. Man, this is taking a little bit longer. So there we go. We added another finger. I'm gonna hit done for now. So you do your Google Assistant. It says that we are all set up. You can change stuff here. I'm gonna say no thanks. So here is the setup. Bam. Let's go into the settings. I want to just see how much storage you have. So I'm using 20%, 12, almost 13 gigs of storage straight out the box. The system's using 12. You do have Moto Actions on here. Bam, we're gonna get into that on a different video, but this is just the initial setup. Let's test out the cameras really quick too. I'm gonna just take a picture. What y'all think about that? Doesn't look too bad. Alright, so let's do some comparisons really quick too. Don't want to make the video way too long, but I have my Umi Digi F1 here. It's about the same size. The Umi Digi actually a little bit thicker than the Moto. That's probably because of the battery. Here's the G7, the LG G7. Bam, look at that. The bottom's almost the same setup. Okay, everyone, so that was the initial setup and unboxing of the Moto G7. Stay tuned to the channel. I'm gonna do some comparisons to the Umi Digi F1. I might even put it against the LG G7 just for the fun of it. I'm also going to test out the speakers on this phone. I'm going to do a comparison between this phone, the Umi Digi, and my new mobile phone, because they're all in about the same price range, $299 to $199. Definitely going to test that out. Y'all let me know what other videos you want to see in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos on the Moto G7. Follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.